Good day everyone. Today we will discuss Lesson 9, the Information Age under Chapter 3. This topic explains how technology changed the way we communicate and live today. The Information Age is the period when information became easily accessible through computers and the internet. It is also called the Digital Age or New Media Age because of modern technology and communication platforms. According to James R. Messenger, the information age is based on connected computers through telecommunications, allowing instant sharing of information. People rely on it because it is convenient and user-friendly. Now, let's look at the development of communication over time. In 3000 BC, Sumerian writing, pictographs first written communication. 2900 BC, Egyptian hieroglyphics, symbols to record history. 1300 BC, Chinese writing, oracle bones for communication and beliefs. 500 BC, papyrus scrolls, early paper for storing information. 100 AD, codex, early form of books. 105 AD, paper and printing, faster production of text. 1455, printing press, mass production of books. 1755, dictionary, standardized language. 1802, Library of Congress, knowledge storage. 1837, telegraph, long-distance communication. 1861, motion pictures, visual communications. 1876, Dewey Decimal System, organized information. 1877, high-speed photograph, foundation of videos. 1899, magnetic recording, audio recording. 1902, film effects, improved storytelling. 1906, amplifying tube, foundation of radio and TV. 1923, TV camera tube, live image transmission. 1926, sound and movies, audio in films. 1939, TV broadcasting, media at home. 1940s, information science, managing information. 1945, hypertext idea, basis of internet links. 1946, ANIAC, early computers. 1948, information theory, communication systems. 1957, transistors, smaller, faster devices. 1958, integrated circuit, modern computers. 1960s, machine readable,